Good evening, students. This is your 7th standard first term book, and I hope your holidays are going good, and I would like to congratulate you on promoting to the next class. You have been promoted to the next class, and I request you students to pay the fees and get the books as soon as possible for getting the education without any interruption. This is our first chapter in social science, that is sources of medieval India. In this chapter we will learn medieval India, an introduction, and sources on medieval India. Medieval India, an introduction. Most historians classify the history of India into three periods, that is ancient period, medieval period, modern period. As we saw in the previous page, the history has been divided into three parts by historians, that is the ancient period, medieval period, and modern period. So in that we are going to see what is ancient period. Now the ancient period extends from the establishment of Indus Valley civilization till the death of Vardhana dynasty Emperor Harshavardhana in 1647 CE. In previous classes, that is in 6th, you would have learned about Indus civilization. So the first civilization in India, and from that is the starting point of ancient period, and the death of Harshavardhana is the end of ancient period, that is starting from 3200 BC to 647 CE is the time period of ancient period. Then begins the medieval period, which goes till the end of the rule Aurangzeb in 1707 CE. So medieval period is a period where it goes till the end of Aurangzeb. So who is the who is the son of Shah Jahan, and the period ends till 1707. For easy understanding, most historians divide the medieval period into early medieval period and later medieval period. So the historians divided the medieval period into two parts, that is the earlier period and the later period. The early medieval period begins with the death of Harsha, followed by the rise of other independent kingdoms such as the Rajputs, Palas, and Senas, while in south were the kingdoms of Cholas, Rashtrakutas, Holisalas, and Yadavas. As we read earlier, the medieval period has been classified into two periods, that is earlier medieval period and later medieval period. In early medieval period begins with the death of Harsha. Harsha is the last ruler in the ancient period, who is Harshavardhana, and followed by other independent kingdoms. There were small kingdoms formed during that period. In north side there were Palas, Selas, while in south there were Cholas, Rashtrakutas, and Yadavas. These were the small kingdoms which were formed during the beginning of the medieval period. The later medieval period begins with the establishment of Islamic rule in India, with Delhi as its seat of power in 1206 CE and goes for 5 centuries. The later medieval period was mostly ruled by Muslim rulers, that is called the Islamic rule in India. It started with Muhammad Ghori, and they fixed Delhi as the power center. They ruled from 1206 and it went to 5 centuries. 5 centuries means 500 years. From 1206 to 1706 was the period of medieval period, and this marks an end to the medieval period. So the modern period of Indian history begins with the end of the Mughal rule in India and establishment of British Empire in India. As stated earlier, the Mughal Empire was the last Muslim rulers who ruled India. After that, the British captured India and the rule of British started from 1707. It was the modern period. From 1707 to 1947, it is classified as modern history of India. So, today your homework is you have to read and write what is ancient period, what is medieval period and modern period, and send it through the Hi-Fi app. So ancient period is in page number 98. It starts from the ancient period and ends with Harshavardhana in 647 CE, and the medieval period starts here, that is from, they divide medieval period into two parts, that is early medieval period and later medieval period. So the early medieval period begins with the death of Rajputs and this paragraph, and the later medieval period starts here and ends in 5 centuries, and the modern period starts from the modern period in India. History begins with the Mughal rule and it starts with the establishment of British Empire. These three are the homework for you, and you have to write it and send it through Hi-Fi app, and the classes for today is over. Thank you. Meet you tomorrow.